I spent 30 days running a YouTube Shorts automation experiment. I published every single day. I used AI tools for everything, and I tracked every number, every view, every subscriber, every dollar. And I'm going to show you exactly what happened, because the reality is a lot more interesting than either the hype videos or the doom and gloom crowd will tell you. I'm Stickman Matt, main channel Matt, bet me a hypothetical coffee. He doesn't actually buy me things that I couldn't get a Shorts channel off the ground in 30 days using pure automation. 30 days later, I'm here to report back. Here's the setup. I started from zero. No existing audience, no pre-built content, no crossover from another channel, just a fresh channel, a content niche, which was YouTube growth and creator education, and a tool stack that cost me under $60 a month total. The goal was simple: get the channel monetized, or at least prove the model could work in 30 days. Day 1 through 7 was what I call the invisible phase. You publish and nothing happens, not because your content is bad, because YouTube has no data on your channel yet. The algorithm needs to learn who you are, what your content covers, and who responds to it. In week 1, I published 7 shorts. Total views across all 7, 412. Painful to look at, but I kept going because I knew the data curve in shorts is not linear. Week 2 is where things started to shift slightly. 3 of my 7 shorts from week 1 started picking up search traffic because they were answering specific questions people were typing into YouTube. This is the single most underrated strategy for shorts. Most creators make shorts designed for the browse feed, the viral swipe through experience, but shorts that answer specific search queries build durable traffic. They're slower to explode, but they keep getting views for months. Week 2 views, 2,300. A meaningful jump. The tool that made the content production sustainable was VidAI. I used it to identify which specific questions in my niche had the most search demand, but the least competition. Every short I made was answering a real question with a real answer. No padding, no filler, just the hook, the answer, and a push to long form content. Under 60 seconds every time. Week 3 is where the experiment got interesting. One short about the YouTube algorithm signal that most small channels ignore hit the shorts feed algorithm. In 3 days, it went from 200 views to 14,000. This is the shorts experience everyone talks about. The problem is you cannot predict when it happens or manufacture it deliberately. What you can do is create the conditions for it by publishing consistently and making content that performs well on early viewer signals. By the end of week 3, I had 48,000 total channel views, 21 shorts published, 211 subscribers. To put that in context, building that subscriber count through long-form content typically takes significantly longer for a brand new channel. Week 4, I shifted strategy slightly based on what the data was telling me. The shorts that were outperforming shared one common trait. They opened with a specific surprising claim in the first 2 seconds. Not a question, not an intro, a claim. Something like YouTube is deliberately hiding this setting from small channels. That kind of opening stops the scroll immediately and keeps people watching past the 3-second mark, which is the signal Shorts uses to determine whether to push your content to more viewers. By day 30, here were the final numbers. Total views, 94,000. Subscribers gained 412. Revenue, $0. Because you need 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 long-form watch hours or 10 million Shorts views to monetize. I had the subscribers, but not the watch hours or Shorts view threshold. So did it work? Yes and no. The model works. The growth is real. The automation made the content production sustainable. But the timeline to monetization through Shorts alone is longer than most creators expect, unless you have a breakout video that pushes you past the 10 million Shorts view threshold quickly. The honest recommendation is this: use Shorts as a top of funnel. Use them to build an audience fast and funnel viewers to long-form content where the watch hour monetization threshold is more reachable. That combined approach is what actually turns Shorts into a business rather than just a view counter. Now, if you want to discover how I run faceless channels like this and make them into a full business, check out this video next to me, which is a full free course for doing it. I go over the new way of running faceless channels right now on YouTube. See you there. Drop a comment and tell me, are you running Shorts alongside long form or as a standalone channel? I want to know what people are actually testing.